Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Thomas, coming to you from mgmclassiccars.com from Addison, Illinois. I am very pleased to put this 72 Chevrolet Chevelle SS clone on the market on this windy day here. Beautiful Glacier Blue paint job all around. As you can see, it's a very straight body, and we'll talk about that in a minute. I just want to do one quick walk around and then I'll circle back. Look at the beautiful stance on the car. Really nice paint. I don't see any scuff marks anywhere on the recent blue paint. Brand new American Racing wheel package. 20s in the rear, 18s in the front. They are staggered. Front power disc, and boy does it look good. You can definitely agree with me upon that. Excellent chrome bumper in the front. All the bezels are brand new. The grille as well. Beautiful white Arctic white rally stripes have been painted, clear coated as well. Look at the reflection. The sparkle. The polish. Obviously, as you can see, the car has been lowered. Nothing rubs on the car. Excellent opening wheel trim. Excellent rear chrome bumper with the SS setup. Again, a continuation with the rally stripe done correctly in the rear. All the trim around all the windows are in good condition. The glass is in very good condition. Here's a good reflection if you can see my chubby ass, but sorry about that. But anyway, nice chrome door handles. All the fitment, all the body lines line up really nice on the car. So again, no defects in the paint. It's really slick and really nice. It's a recent paint job on the car. Check out the interior. Nice black interior. Excellent dash pad. Excellent headliner with the dome light working. Package tray with the 6x9s in the back. Nice rear seat. All seat belts are intact. Door panels are good. Look at the door jambs on it. Done really nice. Body by Fisher. Inner door jamb, or outer door jamb should I say, and then the inner door jamb all nicely painted. Car shows 73,786 miles, believed to be original. Perforated headliner with the correct sun visors. Panasonic tape deck AM FM. There's your controller for the heat and air conditioning and defrost. Basic glove box. Okay. Let's check out the trunk area and then we'll go over to the passenger side. If you guys been looking for a while, you probably found the one here. It's a really nice car. You can take it to any car show and be proud of opening up the hood and the trunk. Okay, I know I got the right key. There's about 5 keys on this keychain. So, excellent interior, no rust on the car. It is a Southern car. Here's your spare tire and your jack assembly. It's been spackled, done really nice and clean inside. Here's the stamping to show you that the sheet metal on this upper part of the quarter is all original. And also on the passenger side as well, all original. On this side, full quarter, all original. It's hard to find these Chevelles that are not cut up and bondoed up. This one isn't. A magnet has been placed all over the areas. There is no bondo. They just did a really nice job when they did the paint work on the car. Under the trunk lid, they painted it as well, and they did a nice job. You must agree, it is a beauty. So on the passenger side here, excellent chrome handles, nice door jambs, nice door panel, body by Fisher again. The door sill plates have been replaced. Excellent rockers below. Inner jamb, outer jamb, passenger view. All the weather stripping is in good condition as well. All the windows roll up and down as they should. There's no issues, and that's on all four corners. Okay, now let's check out the engine compartment. Very clean setup. L48 car with the 350 V8, upgraded with power steering, factory power disc brakes, factory air conditioning that has been converted, as you can see right there. Autocraft battery, nice fan, no overheating issues. Edelbrok aluminum intake with the Holley 4-barrel carburetor that's tuned perfectly. I tuned it, took me about 2 hours. Don't touch it, perfect. Factory code on the cow tag, if you can see it there, calls for number 67, which is classic copper. That was the original color to the car, and now it's a beautiful Glacier Blue. VIN tag all in place, as you can see there. Cow is in very good condition, and the roof line is beautiful. So we'll give it a start now. We'll crank it over. So very simple, very reliable. Turn the key in the on position, pump twice, starts right up. Okay, we'll show you some of the instruments. Left turn signal, right turn signal. There's your headlight switch right here, which functions. Your wipers right there, they function. And then when we press the horn, we got a horn. Okay, so radio works. All right, so this car has cold air conditioning. It's blowing. I don't know if you can hear it, but it is blowing cold. So as you can see, everything's functional in my car. There's your rear back seat with the correct seat belts, nice package tray. Sounds good. Sounds very good. Right now we got the air running. Sounds excellent. Looks excellent. Let's go for a ride. So I wanted to show you that the speedo does work. Okay. And now we'll mount the camera and go for a ride. Fuel gauge works as well. There's the shift. Real smooth going down the road, guys, honestly. Doesn't pull to the left, doesn't pull to the right. When you're on the brake, off the brake, on the gas pedal. Power steering works really nice, and so do the power disc brakes. They do work really good. No overheating issues whatsoever. And all the lights are functional. So really, you're buying yourself an excellent turnkey classic vintage car that does not need anything. Every year, just change your oil, check your tire pressure, your coolant, just your basic purrs down the road. And it sounds good too. If you guys need delivery, call me, text me with your zip code, or email me, and I'll get you a quote. If you need financing, gotta have good credits, at least a 650 to about a 720. With that kind of a credit rating, you would contact Chris Laganelli at JJ Best. His direct number is 508-415-1035. And if you got 720 and higher, then you would hop on your computer, go to lightstream.com, fill out the application for your loan amount, what you're looking for. They do 0% down. If you wanted to not put anything down, you can. They'll have the money in your account in 15. They'll approve you in 15 minutes and have the money in your account the next day. So that's with lightstream.com. So we're located in Addison, Illinois. Today we have a nice, gorgeous 85-degree day. It's a little windy here in Addison, but a nice day. So go for a nice drive. I do the walk-around videos and my test drives because a lot of my buyers buy over the computer. We do all of the online paperwork through DocuSign, very simple process. Insurance on these cars at this value is about $600-700 a year for full coverage. Very inexpensive. And delivery these days are not that expensive, guys, gals. Great performance on the V8 350. Shifts excellent with the turbo hydraulic. 350 trans. It's got a mild shift kit in it, like I mentioned before. Just a really nice driver car with really, really nice paint. Been doing this for over 30 years. Reputable seller. I tell you everything about the car. I'm 100% on eBay feedback. Be careful who you buy from, people. That's why you want to buy from a reputable dealership with good reviews. So, you know, we continue to strive with our quality control. I'm a small place. I only have 40, 50 cars. So every car I pay attention to, it's all about quality to me, and it's not about the quantity. So you got to be careful who you choose to buy your classic from. And I believe that I am going to be your best choice. If you look around, no one's doing over 100, photos, high resolution, high definition photos. No one's doing a 10, 20, 30 minute video like I'm doing, honestly. And if people want to start doing it, they should. Because we want the consumer to know what they're buying and what they're paying for. And that's why I'm the leader in the industry. I pay attention to detail. So I'm gonna park it and do a little quick walk around. Give you a recap of my Chevelle, and then, you make your decision. But I guarantee you, anybody who comes here and buys it and sees it is going to buy it. Very, very nice car. We'll do a quick walk around. So again, here is my 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle SS clone. Beautiful Glacier Blue paint with white Rally Arctic stripes. Excellent chrome grille, trim, glass, handles, wheel tire upgraded package, front power disc brakes, power steering, excellent L48 350 engine, dual exhaust, no rot, southern car, ready to go. Call me, text me. My name's Thomas at 847-848-1850. Also, you can check out a lot of my photos, over 100 photos, easily on my website at mgmclassiccars.com. Thank you again for watching. We'll talk soon.